Hey guys, I'm Kira, and today you'll learn how to pronounce the word счастливо in informal farewell, something like, have fun. Together, S and ch are pronounced sh, which makes life easier. The a here actually sounds more like an e vowel, and the te practically disappears, so the first syllable sounds like this. Счись, счись, счись. Let's start with a good Russian default mouth position. Jaw slightly forward, tip of the tongue behind the bottom teeth, lips rounded and protruded. Счись, счись. The second syllable consists of a soft L and an E vowel with the tongue high and forward. Li, li. There's almost a Y sound built into the L, and if yours doesn't sound like mine, allow the sides of your tongue to come away from your upper molars and move your tongue a bit further forward. Li, li. Finally, the O sounds like a schwa. Let's put it all together. Jo tang lips. Счастливо. 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 That's it, guys. Be sure to subscribe on YouTube, share my videos, suggest a word, and check out my video course at unlockingrussianpronunciation.org. And if you teach Russian and you like my videos, please consider tagging me on Instagram so your students can see them too. Счастливо!